The Trail Hunter is out on the websites. All right. I'm bummed. I'm a little mad. And we need to do a video about this. I'm happy, but I'm mad. I'm happy because I get to build it. I'm mad because I really want it. Man, the prices on these are up there. Let's be real. Everybody's complaining. Everybody's talking about it. Everybody. The prices are up there. Whether that's due to inflation or what it is, the prices are high. We all know that. These are the more affordable versions, and 50 grand is the cheapest you could start at. This is Canadian, obviously. And then you got the more packages, the bigger packages, and so on and so forth. But the SR5 has the cheapest trim. And in Canada, it is actually not the TRD Pro. That is the most expensive. It is the Trail Hunter. And that is because here in Canada, you can't get anything that is, the same as other places or anything like that. Even though, like we're missing a lot of specs. For example, you cannot get the 6-speed manual TRD off-road with the premium package. It only comes as a standard package, meaning no multimedia display, 14-inch display, no what's it called? I think the soft tech, like all the stuff you get in the premium off-road right here, you do not get in the standard package off-road. You only get the suspension stuff. So whatever that is, the lock differential and all that stuff with the hill crawl assist and all the transit. No, sorry, you don't even get that stuff. So yeah, it's dumb. I personally would have honestly went and grabbed the manual right away, but if it had the premium package, I would have done that because that would have been nice. But I got steered off the manual because they don't have the premium package, which is just ridiculous. Like, we've got no options basically now. Anyways, you come over here to TRD Premium Off-Road, and you're starting at $66,000. Add on the extra right there, and you're looking at $68,000 right there. You're looking at about 69. Let's get into building price. Ooh, the off-road, TRD off-road premium, no thank you. Let me know in the comments below, what are your thoughts? Are you in Canada and looking at these, and what are your thoughts about that? Also, stateside people, you guys can laugh at us because you guys kind of have it better than us right now with your options and whatnot. It's not looking the best, and the fact that the Trail Hunter here is actually the higher trim and the more expensive trim, well, that just pisses me off. Anyways, let's get right into it because we are Trail Hunter TRD, so let's make sure about it. Ooh, just beautiful. I love everything about it. And then watching the TFL and that turbo, oof, that turbo just kicks so good. But yeah, okay. Bronze oxide, love it. That's another thing I want to touch, is you could only get the bronze oxide color on the Trail Hunter here in Canada. Cannot get it on anything else. Which personally, I'm still in between whether I'm gonna just go all out and just walk right down the aisle and say Trail Hunter it is, pay all that fucking stupid price, but we'll figure that part out because we're working on that. My Twitter is something at Trail Hunter TRD is the Twitter account, so give us a follow if you guys want. I'd appreciate the support there. It's more of a figure out how to make the money for this thing. But yeah, I mean, we did just start up a carpentry business, carpentry company We're trying to get some jobs lined up and whatnot. I did do my first quote. She's iffy about it because somebody gave her a cheaper quote, but I don't know. She said something about the fact that he can't do it no more or something like that, so she's gonna wait and see. Either way, that's a story for something else. But right now, this is my plan. This is what I want to do. Obviously, this will be my, like, I will not sell this truck. I will not sell this truck. You could bury me with the truck if I buy this truck. Let's be real. Let's be honest. Like, if I'm gonna need a bigger truck for my business in the future, yes, I will be using this. It's got a 6-foot bed, which is beautiful on it. Yes, it's an expensive truck to go right into, but that's if we get this, obviously. That's a big if right now. But we're working on it, because sometimes you can make things happen, you know what I mean? I've seen people get $1 million from people just by asking around, you know what I mean? I believe that if you follow me on Twitter, you would see that I've been asking people for a Bitcoin. So we're gonna figure it out. Someone's gonna give me a Bitcoin, and I'm gonna buy this truck. Just watch. Oh, the interior is just kick ass. First of all, done great. I love the colors. Love it. I love the stitching. I love the seats, the colors. I love everything about the interior on the Tacoma and the exterior on these Tacomas. Just the beefiness, everything about it. It's just on point. Fact that you get a air compressor as well in the back is pretty cool. It's located right over there. You get all these lights integrated in the side, which is really sweet. I find just these little things and touches. Just old man Inu suspension. Everything looks great. Now everything looks great, other than the price right now. $97,197.04, coming up to a bi-weekly $770 at a 7.29% interest rate. All right, that is 14. You're looking at $1,600 a month for a mid-sized pickup truck. Yes, this is the top trim. But still, you should not be looking at $1,600 a month. I'm not even lying right now. If I had $1,600 a month to pay for a truck, I feel like this is the truck I would pay. If this is the price I have to pay to get this truck, it's going to happen because I want this truck. Like, period. All right? Whether you want to call me dumb or crazy or delusional, whatever you want. All right, tag me, put it in the comments, go for it. I don't care, but I want this truck. So if that right there just shows you how badly I want this truck. All right. I've been loving Tacomas for the last, I don't know, it's for a while now. Like, the nicest truck out there. It's the only one that caught my eyes. And then the Tundra, the recent revamp that they did, really nice. Love the way they look and everything. But when you read a little about that, Tundra's not the best. I mean, when they released them, I think back in 22. So I don't know how the 24s are. Some people are saying things haven't been fixed. Other people are saying it's a lot better. But anyways, that aside, this is the truck I want. This is the truck of my dreams. This is the truck we dream of. All right, I literally go to sleep at night and I try and manifest it, and it turns into me driving this truck off-road, doing off-road things, overlanding, camp. Ooh, just living the life. All right. Anyways, this video is getting really long, so let's cut it down. So yeah. So if we get a Bitcoin, which a Bitcoin is about $84,000 Canadian, we'll say. I'm just putting 84 months. Like, I'll have this. Like, I'd have that paid off in no time. That's like, I'd probably just pay for the truck full at that point if someone gave me a Bitcoin. But let's be more conservative and say we'll probably put down like a $60,000 down payment. Give it an 84 months. Yeah, like this is easily doable. You know what I mean? It's just when you go, like, even if I was to put 35K down, You know what I mean? Like, I'm not trying, like, $400 a month. Yeah, like, closing in close to like a grand. I want to try and stay under like $600. You know what I mean? $600 bi-weekly. I don't mind. I mean, a month. I don't mind. Like, that's not a horrible car payment. It's still on the higher end, but it's not horrible. You know, truck could pay itself off at that point. But yeah, so the plan is to get this down to at least about that right there. So yeah, we'll get there. Either way, if you guys like this video, please do drop a subscribe and like. Let's get this going. Let's get the ball rolling. All right, the wheels spinning. Okay. But yeah, and also options here. Where are the options? I'm gonna do a video. My next video is gonna be comparing this site between the USA sites. And I'm just gonna show you guys the difference of what I mean here, of the level of just detail that US has on their, like, Toyota USA compared to Toyota Canada. All right, so if you guys want to see that, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and make sure to catch us on the next one, because it's going to be a good one. Thanks so much for watching, guys. TrailHunter TRD here. Peace. Keep on dreaming, guys. We're going to get there.